Hi, it is really normal for an organization or a company to issue a check or use an electronic fund transfer facility when making payments. But sometimes it may be necessary to make payments in cash. So today I'm going to talk about petty cash. Why do we need petty cash? Well, we prefer cash payment when the amount is too small to warrant using a check or card, or a check or electronic fund transfer is not accepted, and petty cash can also save time. The typical example of petty cash include fares for taxis, rail travel, stationery items, and food or beverages. It is important for internal control purposes that a business minimizes cash payment, and the amount will depend on the size of the business. For example, a large business may consider the $400 purchase in stationery as small and allow cash payment, but a small business may consider the amount as large and require payment in check. If we want to use petty cash, we have to ensure that all payments are recorded and the cash is accounted for. There are some good internal control over petty cash methods. First one, we have to establish a system where cash is held in a secure location and placed under the control of a petty cash custodian. Next, all payments from the petty cash fund must be supported by a signed petty cash voucher, and all money paid into the petty cash fund and from the fund are recorded in a petty cash book. The petty cash book separates payments into expense classifications to assist control over expenses. The last one is a regular check. A regular check of cash held in the fund should be reconciled with the amount in the petty cash book. This check should be undertaken by employee who is not associated with control of the petty cash fund. When a payment is made from the petty cash fund, documentary evidence in the form of a petty cash voucher should be prepared and retained for future reference. A petty cash voucher may be issued after or before the payment. As we can see, the petty cash book, which have two main parts, the first one is amount and the second one is payment classification. And under the amount we have paid in, paid out, and balance. And under the classification we have travel, office, GST payment, just paid, etc. Yeah. And we have to write the date and the details and doc number for it. So it's really clear for owners to look up the items and see where did the petty cash go. The next one is petty cash voucher. We have to indicate the number in the order of the petty cash voucher, and we have to write the date and amount and the purpose, and have to sign by the employee or the owner. That's near the end of my tutorial. I hope this helped you in some way. Yeah. Hope you enjoy this. Thank you for your attention. Bye.